Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to answer to those that are asking the question if there's a way to get 21H1 right now, is it safe and all of that. So I already did a few videos talking about the fact that it seems pretty stable, has pretty much no problems, and that, it is in general a very small update to the October 2020 update. Once again, I do not recommend, unless you are an enthusiast that really wants to go forward, to get this. I always say better wait and get it when it will be available. A lot of people are asking me, is there a date? There's still no date as to when it's released. Possibly next month, April and or May. So in the next couple of months, we should have this. A lot of people are kind of tagging maybe near Patch Tuesday of April. I don't know if that could be Microsoft being very secretive about this. But you can get it right now if you want, and it is available to download if you want to clean install. I'll show you the image where to get it. If you want to get it in another way also and just update. If you are on the October 2020 update, or if you are on the May 2020 update, it's a small cumulative update that will apply. If you're on 1909, it's a big update. And remember, 21H1 probably has the same problem with the Connexent HD audio. So if you have a problem that doesn't update because of that, 21H1 is not going to fix anything. So how do you get to 21H1, or the first version of the Windows 10 for 2021? And you see here, I have it here. It's at 1904.3.867 build version 21H1. One of the things that it shows that it's already there and it's already pretty much finished is they tell you that the next version is already here. So two ways. The first one is you can go into all settings. You can go into update and security. On the bottom left, you've got the Windows Insider program. And what you do here is enroll and make sure that you choose the beta channel. And what you could do after that is put this switch here, turning on, will opt your device out of flighting when the next major release of Windows 10 is installed, to make sure that you stay put at this version. So that's one way of doing it. You have to enroll into the Insider program. Just put the switch here at on to stop getting preview builds. And you will be at 21H1 after a cumulative update has been done. You'll have to restart your PC for this to apply. And if you want, you can also go to this page. Once again, you will need a Microsoft account. You go to the Windows Insider Preview download page. Here, you go way down the page, and you select the edition Windows 10 Insider Preview Beta Channel, build 19043. This is what you need to get. You confirm, and it will actually validate. Then you just choose the language that you want. And once you choose a language, you will have 64 32-bit downloads. There's no asking for Home or Pro. You will choose it at the install phase when you actually get the download of the image. So this is the place to get it. I'll share this page in the description below the video if you want to have a clean install of 21H1 or have an image. Once again, do not choose anything else here than build 19043. This is what you want, nothing else. Because if you mess up, you can be way off, way worse. Same thing for the Insider Preview. When you go to the settings, do not choose Dev Channel. Make sure you choose Beta Channel. It's very important. And, that will actually upgrade you to the latest, newest version of Windows 10. What's new? Pretty much nothing. So, you're going there for purely the reason of being there, because right now, unless they switch on some features we still don't know that are existing, nothing really is going to happen for now with this new version. There's nothing new. So that's why I think it's not very important to move on. But I know some of you want to be there. And so if it's the case, well, you know how to do it now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.